Hi everyone, today in front of me I have this Realme C35 smartphone, and in this video I would like to show you the top 3 tips for this device. So let's go ahead and start. The first tip is being the fact that you can add your fingerprint or face as an unlock method on this device. So in order to access the setting, open up the settings app here, go for security, and at the device security category we are able to set both the fingerprint and face unlock. So let's go ahead and start with the fingerprint. In prior of installing the biometrics as for the unlock method, the system will require you to set up the backup unlock method. The variants, the options that you can choose from are pattern, PIN, and password. I'll just go ahead and choose the pattern. Just a second. I've accidentally tapped on PIN. So pattern, set up the pattern that you would like to use. I'll go with this one, confirm it. And now we can go ahead and start setting up the fingerprint itself. So the sensor of the fingerprint is located on the side of your smartphone at the lock button. So click on next, and here just touch the sensor. Scan the fingerprint all the way. Just make this circle blue basically. Lane lift it gradually in different positions, so the entire surface of your fingerprint will be scanned. It might take some time, but don't rush. Just lane lift until this circle will be completely filled out with blue. Alright, so we have successfully enrolled the fingerprint. So let's plug the phone and see how it works. Works just fine. Next we have the face unlock. In order to set it up, all you basically gotta do is to place your face at this circle frame. I'll go ahead and do it off the screen real quick. So I've just done it. It was very quick. And now I'll check how the face unlock feature works. As you can see, the lock icon on the top of our lock screen is being successfully opened once I align the selfie camera of this device with my face. So we are moving on to the next tip, which is located at the accessibility category of settings. So scroll down, go for accessibility, and this tip is this little switcher that allows you to remove animations. And once animations are removed, that's how the interface experience will be looking like. As you can see, everything is not smooth and gradual, so basically the animations has been deleted. It is very handy switcher in occasions when you feel like your phone is lacking some of the performance, or you need to preserve the battery in some critical occasions, for example. Next we have another accessibility feature which allows us to change the navigation type on our device. So go for the accessibility, look for the interaction controls category and system navigation, and here we can choose between two types of system navigations. The first one being this digital buttons on bottom of our display, or the gesture navigation that once enabled will be looking like that, and we'll be navigating through our phone by gestures, as you can see. So in order to open up the recent app menu, just swipe this bar upwards slowly, hold and swipe. In order to get back to the home screen, just swiftly swipe upwards, and in order to get back to the previous page, just swipe right. And we are moving on to the next tip, which is also located at the accessibility category of settings on this device. And scroll down until you stumble upon the experimental section, and here we have the high contrast text feature that once enabled, as you can see, increases the contrast level of our text. So if the interface text is lacking visibility, in your opinion, you can just go ahead and enable this setting in order to the text reading process for you to become easier. And next we have the last tip for this video, that is called Smart Control. So go to the settings again, look for the Smart Control category, and in here we have a few options that we can either turn on or turn off. For example, Smart Wake, that once enabled allows us to tap twice while the screen is locked in order to get ourselves to the lock screen. We also have the lift to check phone feature that works the following way. Once your phone is locked, all you gotta do in order to get yourself to the lock screen of your device is just lift the phone a little bit. Let me demonstrate it to you once again. Alright, great success. There are also two other options that you can configure. So Smart Motion, that allows you to set up some of the moving scenarios for calls or audio and video play. As you can see, once enabled, we can enable easy answer, easy bell, or mute incoming calls. And the pocket mode, which once enabled activates some of the scenarios of phone behavior while it is placed in your pocket. Alright, so that was it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!